Stop wasting time trying to pick a random niche. YouTube simply doesn't work that way. In this video, I'm going to reveal a secret niche that huge creators are ignoring. And the best part? We're going to use a free AI tool to do 90% of the work, so stay tuned. All right, the niche I'm talking about is the Fairytale niche. But wait, before you click away thinking this is saturated, let me show you the real numbers so you can see the potential. Let's open Videoinu. I'm going to search for Fairytale. Look at this score. The demand is incredibly high, but the competition is still surprisingly low. Check this graph. You can see it's averaging 500,000 views per hour. You can see it's even at 1.1 million views per hour as I'm recording this video. This explains why channels in this niche are exploding. Look at this example. 2.3 million views in just 19 days. And check the velocity. It's pulling in over 5,000 views per hour right now. That is serious traffic. You might be thinking that this channel has lots of subscribers. Well, that may be true, but what about this one? It has only 12,000 subscribers. But look at the views. Over 500,000 views in just 23 days. Just 23 days, guys. The list goes on and on. Just check this channel. It has gathered more than 100,000 subscribers with close to 12 million views in just 6 months. Maybe it's luck, but how about this channel? Just 20 videos, and they've already gathered about 24,000 subscribers. And this isn't like generic kids content, which pays poorly. Fairytales for Adults hits an older demographic with better ad revenue. And the good thing is, these videos get views for years because the stories never go out of style. Honestly, I wish I had started this sooner. I'm actually building a new channel in this niche for myself, but I want to show you exactly how to do it with free AI tools first. Plus, I have a special bonus for 3 of you watching right now, so do not skip ahead or you'll miss your chance. Alright, so now that we know this niche has a potential, all we need is a good topic. Yeah, something that people will love to watch. After digging, I found out this niche thrives on status reversal, karma, and modern morals. And I also found out that the most viral videos often involve a poor or bullied protagonist who gains power but chooses kindness or independence over revenge or standard marrying the prince tropes. We can cover similar topics. Yeah, we need to tap into what's already working, and that's why I've prepared this prompt. Here, we're asking it to act as a senior YouTube strategist for a faceless channel. Yeah, we need to make sure the AI understands what we're doing. You can also change the number of ideas here. I recommend you generate more ideas so you can choose the best one. We're also asking it to use these formats, but you can change it if you know what you're doing. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. If you look here, you can see we're telling the AI to give us the hook, and visual direction to help us generate or create our thumbnail, and a high CTR title for each of the ideas. All right, grab it from here and head to ChatGPT or Google Gemini. For this video, I'll be using Videoinu because it understands YouTube very well. But don't worry yourself, just use ChatGPT or Google Gemini. It'll give you a great result too. All right, you can see it does exactly what we asked it to do. It gave us the title, hook, and visual directions. The topics are so good. I'll go with the good princess versus the evil princess. I think that's a very good topic. Now listen. We need to be creating videos consistently to build momentum. And we can't be spending hours using multiple tools to generate the script, then the voiceover, generate clips one by one, and combine them all to create just one video. That's exhausting. And that's why most people fail on YouTube. But imagine this. You click just a single button and a full video is created for you, then another click, and you get height CTR thumbnail and title, and a full SEO description that's already performing well on YouTube. If you don't like this, then I don't know what to do again. I'm going to show you in the next few minutes, but could you do me a quick favor by liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Thank you. All right, so this is the tool we're going to use. It's called Videoinu. Here you can see that they are giving us 300 credits, which cost $0. But since I care about my subscribers, talk to Videoinu team for a discount. But what they did to help you guys is that they're giving 3 Pro membership to any 3 of you watching this video right now, so stay with me, because I'm going to share what you need to do to get this Pro membership account. Now, here's what you're going to do. You're going to hit the link in the video description, and you'll land on this page. Let's click on Animation Video. Next, we need to describe our video here. If you know what to write in this box, that's fine. But if don't have a topic or any idea of your story, you can hit on this button, and it'll give you an idea. But since we already have a topic, we need to give it what we want to make sure the output is exactly what we wanted. To do this, just copy the second prompt from here, and then go back to Videoinu and paste it in the prompt box. Now simply replace these texts with the topic you got on ChatGPT or Google Gemini, and repeat the same to the hook and the visual direction. Good. Next, go ahead and choose whether you want a smart script or basic script. I'll go with the first option. Now, make sure you don't skip because there's an interesting feature that I'm going to show you in the next minute. All right, let's go ahead and the visual style and the duration. You can see that with this tool, we can generate up to 30 minutes of video, which is impressive. I'm going to choose 120 seconds, which is about 2 minutes. Yeah, this is just a tutorial, and I want the generation to be fast. Now let's pick 16:9 as our aspect ratio, and here you can pick your preferred language. All right, so you can see the synopsis, the casts, and the actual script. This is so amazing. You can click here to edit the character, or click here to regenerate if you want to change any of the characters. You can also edit the scenes if you like, but let's go ahead and hit generate. You can see that Videoinu is generating the storyboard for us. Remember to stay with me because there's one interesting feature I'm going to reveal to you soon, and also tell you what you need to do to get the premium membership for free. All right, the video is ready. Let's see how it turns out.
She served royalty, yet owned nothing but the thin cotton of her dress. Her kindness was a secret garden, hidden beneath the grime of necessity.
Must we endure the sight of such drudgery? Even the polish on that platter reflects your humble station, girl.
His words were meant to sting, but in her silence, a quiet strength waited to bleed.
Still bent over trinkets, girl? You should learn when
His
you're not
beauty
needed.
was legendary, a masterpiece carved by fortune.
One day, deep in the palace's forgotten dust, she found an object unlike any other. A mirror whispered to reveal not the surface, but the soul.
To download, just hit this button. Now choose 2K, select private, and hit confirm. Here, all you need to do is to hit download, and you'll get the video on your device. All right, now that we have the video, let me show you one interesting feature that I really love about this tool. It's called YouTube Copilot. Let's hit on it. Now, to use this feature, we need to connect our channel. And to do that, simply hit this button and select the channel you want to link. Now, let's hit on Find Trending Videos. Here, we're going to find trending videos on YouTube and use that for inspiration. Let's enter Fairytale. You can see that this video has gathered more than 6 million views in just 5 months. I think that is a good fit, but let's scroll through to see if we would get another one. Oh, okay. So this one has 11 million views in 11 months. That's impressive, but I think I like this one. Let's click on it. Now let's click on Remix Title and Description. Next, let's hit here and select the video we just generated. Hit confirm, and then hit generate. You can see that Videoinu has given us the thumbnail, the title, and the description. If you're happy with the result, simply hit on apply and go ahead and hit the publish button. That's straightforward. Now, if we go back to our channel, you can see the video has been published. This is simple, and with this, you can create enough videos and publish them on your channel. Now, to get a pro membership account, simply leave a comment. Tell us what you love about Videoinu or what you think can be improved. Videoinu will select 3 lucky viewers and credit their account with a free pro membership. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.